This is Swapnil Sane calling from Pune. Go ahead, Swapnil. What is your question?
Hello.
Yes.
Just have a question. I have mutual funds of around 80,000 rupees, and I have SIP for BNB Paribas and BNB. So just wanted to know what should I go for.
No, please come again. You want to put an extra 10,000 every month aside from what you already have?
Yeah.
Okay. And you want to keep the money in for 3 years. Your goal is to get 15 lakh.
Yeah.
Correct? All right. Harsh, just to add, you may have already got this information about Swapnil. He has an insurance policy with ICICI, and the yearly amount is 2,800. Sum assured is only 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Go ahead, Harsh. What's your advice?
So I think very similar to what we just discussed with Mohammed. Swapnil, first, before you begin investment, please make sure that if something were to happen to you, you need full cover. The cover that you have is totally inadequate. So the only way you can cover that is through a term policy, and please take that online. Plus you need health insurance for both for yourself and your dependents, plus a disability cover for yourself, accidental disability and critical illness. All that, and you probably see these details on the screen, will cost you roughly about 3,000 rupees. That leaves you roughly 7,000 rupees for investment. And I think you have a longer time frame. I think the question, do you want to invest for how long?
15 years.
Sorry,
15 years.
15 years. You want to invest for 15 years, right? Absolutely. That is what I had also understood. So again, as we just were discussing just before the break, I think you should look at a good, well-managed large cap funds such as Franklin Blue Chip or HDFC Top 200 or DSP BlackRock Top 100 and a certain portion in PPF. So out of the 10,000, 3,000 goes towards insurance. Of the 7,000, put 3,000 into two of these funds, and possibly 1,000 rupees into PPF. I think that should serve you quite well.
All right, Swapnil, that's the advice for you. Very clear. You can put most of it in equities, about 6,000, and the advice is in Franklin or DSP, BlackRock Top 100 equity, and the remaining 1,000 could go in your debt, could be a PPF. Let's go.